In this video, I will discuss the most important and the first step of dropshipping. The first step of dropshipping is to edit your shipping template. Shipping template means you have to define the regions and areas where you can ship and where you cannot ship. Also, you have to define your shipping charges you will charge to your customers for your delivery services and the time you will take to ship your order online. Now question is why this step is so important or what if we don't do this step? Because in dropshipping we are dependent on our store, so we have to follow the rules of their store. Stores like Walmart and Sam's Club can't ship to the specific locations such as PO boxes and some states like Hawaii. So we have to disable those states and those locations from our shipping template. If we don't do this, we can get orders from those states and we cannot fulfill those orders from our stores because stores can't ship to those locations. So customer can give us negative feedback. Let me show you how you can edit your shipping template. You will click on settings, then shipping settings, and then this page will be appear. Here you can see that there is a template name migrated template. You will click on edit template and then you will remove the free economy shipping. You will disable it from here. This is the list of all states of America, but we can't ship to all states of America, so we have to remove some states. Last three regions from this state we will disable them because mostly stores can't ship to those locations. Also, we remove or disable PO boxes because stores can't ship to PO boxes mostly. And then we will set our transit time 2 to 3 days, and our shipping fee will be remain zero because we are not charging shipping charges to our customers. Then we will remove 2 day delivery and expedited shipping. Take a relook and then we will save this template. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to update. Here is the final look of our template, our regions where we can ship, our transit time, and our delivery charges. And now we are good to go.